understand what is going on now. Yabona nje mina more than anything ngiphazamisekile to withdraw a task team, a business investigation, and yet we have not received a presentation at the investigation officially. When I'm at least okay now, when I everything, and I was saying to myself, if I have a lot of essay, I assume any problem for now. Umjala there, which I gave with this country team, what I was with my document. Because we are now talking about operational things. And whether you can't say this doesn't work, this works. How would you get into the conclusion? In my appointment, if there's an intelligence that you have that says unali manipulation, unali things, then you can justify and say, okay, before you continue now, I need brief food once yes, okay. But the lowest topic operation on its track, investigation on its track, we stop it. It's going to have some implications. So that was my concern. We check and pull me and for tomorrow would be at the legal trailer isn't being some officials because isn't some officials so it's a problem. Some officials of the order. It's such a decision now, but a decision about officials of say decision makes now. Some way to apply this mind on it.
Anje nalento ke sivela kanjena kwamina ngingakamtsheli yabona nje hey isiyahlupha ngoba
yilabo sifuna umtshela khona ubona ukuthi the reason why ufuna ukumbona into njengana lezi
ngoba abantu uyabona kwayena izogcina ifikile kushuthi lento ngoba sazi phela iseculator kanjani lento manje
izofika
and inegama lami phezulu manje sethi awusangitshela into esensitive kangaka
ilapho sefanele ukumtshela khona ukuthi ngithe mangabe ngifuna ukubona ngale ndaba le wathi wona sihlangana eCape Town umtshela ukuthi bona ndifuna ukubona wathi sihlangana eCape Town. I was willing to driving the winner because there are certain things that came to my attention. But when what was in the Cape Town, so within the Cape Town.
Hey. Sengombona kusasa ngimtshele sengomkhombisa nayo lento esibhalwe kanje la. Ngaphela
esizana esayidini manje izinto
na isikhuluma yonke into lena as much as nawe kade uwonisha ama fight back nani kodwa leke ngathi kuya exaggerate.
That's what is going to stand up
ngoba yabona nje angikhumbuli uthi small boy and manje into exakayo the real facts angiwaboni lana yabona nje mekuthiwa mhlambe bekulalela ifoni amafoni ethu kufanele ngabe ubhalile la ukuthi akayiyeke lento mengabe clean noma ukuthi akakaza athathe lutho kumuntu into ezikanjalo kufanele ngabe sibhaliwe la
exactly
mekuwukuthi lo muntu belalela amafoni
conversation
ngoba yabona lokho bengeka kushiya ngaphela ku inline ngalezi zinto ayishoyo yeah ngoba lokwe warrant awukazi ukusho
imagine
ngazukusho uyichazile impela nje ukuthi fight back nje and I'm sure now umuonisha phela ngoba uyamazi awuqala ukumazi manje ukuthi kuzoba ne fight back la mawuzazi uclean amaphoyisa azokujijibeza.
Yeah, because that's what they're going to do. Abantu mase befuna ukusurvive and abazodana they can't go down on them. So that is my only worry. But I nokulungile.
Ngizoma explainela mhlambe ke mayise yithola nazo lezi zinto mhlambe uzokuthinta.
Hayi ngizozwa ngaye mina.
Soza ukuthi uthini. Then lama sengimbonile mhlambe ngizokubrief.
Yabona namanje ngisasho ngithi the biggest thing that I've been talking about, angekho umuntu ofuna ukuyilalela kuze kube namhlanje, eyokuthi abantu be-crime intelligence make batholakala benze into wrong, akumelanga bathathwe departmentally, kumele basuswe kwi-crime intelligence bawubekwa somewhere else, because they are used to all these dirty things that is going to create a problem for the organization. For instance, bantu banema-access ama-secret estate, as an example, whether uKhan, whether uMuji, whether ubantu se-Cape Town,
Otiyo,
ukuthi kunezinto ababa-involve ngazo during their line of operations, othola ukuthi zi-involva ne-leadership political, izinto abangathi mase be-desperate ukuthi thina we can't go down alone, bagcina sebezi-expose. Ayisho kudala le, namanje ngisayisho ukuthi akasuswe, abasuswe. One moment ethi umuntu wenza into wrong, then liqhama ku-IPD le-recommendation yabo khani, ayiqhama ku-IPD, okay, i-IPD siqhame nento so nto sekususa sokubeka somewhere else. By so doing, even though the departmental thing yakhona must just die. Uyabona umshifta kwi-department emaphoyiseni umsuke kwenye, or umsuse emaphoyiseni umuse kwi-department, yazi ukuthi umdluli ngaba hedlishela kanjani into khona.
wenza kanjani?
Kanjalo usithola anto usithola lokungena lo mdluli kunale scandal esikhona ngesiphelile yenza so lo muntu uthanda president umthatha ukuthi akaresign emaphoyiseni, umarranjele kwi-state security ukuthi kumfake kwi-secret operation ye-state security, ayosebenza as an agent. By so doing upresident uzobahave ukuthi is still around, ne-public ibehave ukuthi akasekho emaphoyiseni. Leto depende kumdluli bamsusa kanjani njengoba eventually-ke egcina sengene ejele. So nala it's the same thing ngisho bonke labantu abafisa ama-disciplinary steps kwi-crime intelligence bengamelanga bathathwe, bengafanele ukuthi mase kuthola evidence ukuthi kune-misconduct so kuthiwa umuntu akasuswe, angaphelelwa umsebenzi asuswe nje, whether ususelwa la emaphoyiseni or usuka kwi-defense intelligence, usuka kwi-state security, laba basamdinga bangamthoba sangamsebenzisi in another field. Uyabona nje mina personally ngiyazi relationship ukhana nayo no-Julius, ngiyayazi ukuthi how close are they. Ukuya etafuleni was not by mistake. Yabona, so umbuzo ekutheni-ke obani aba-influenzayo bangabe se-face of music and usupport ubani for i-defense yakhe, badefende umuntu efanele bamdefende yini.
Exactly.
Bese kuzoba usibiya nawe nezakhe Easter. Una-history yakhe la kwafa abantu eZimbabwe lapha kuthiwa religion ngemva yabo usibiya.
Hayi ke ngale
So ziningi inkinga ezikhona. So into ebalulekile nje ukuthi mina okwami ukuthi boss
is it disrupted, or that is where it ends?
Honorable Chair,